If A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A and B, and A minus 2B is 18, find the value of K and the distance AB. So here, clearly given that A comma B is the midpoint of AB. A is minus 6 comma 5. B is K comma 4. So now here, and the midpoint is, I'll consider as P, A comma B, midpoint of AB. So P is the midpoint of AB. So P is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So P is A comma B. Here x1 y1, x2 y2. So clearly x1 is minus 6 plus k by 2. y1 is 5 plus 4 by 2. So if we'll simplify one more step, minus 6 plus k will remain as it is by 2. 5 plus 4 is 9 by 2. Now if we'll compare here, the abscissa is A equals minus 6 plus k by 2 and B equals 9 by 2. So A value is minus 6 plus k by 2 and B value is 9 by 2. Now if I'll substitute these values, A and B values, in the equation which is given here, equation is A minus 2B is 18. A value is minus 6 plus k by 2. B value is 2 into 9 by 2 equals 18. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus 6 plus k by 2 minus 9 equals 18. Minus 6 plus k by 2, 18 minus 9 if we'll transpose plus 9. So minus 6 plus k by 2 is 27. So the next step, if we'll write here, minus 6 plus k is 27 times 2 is 54. So the k value is 54 plus 6. So the value of k is 60. K value is 60. Now we need to find the distance AB. Distance AB. So here I'll do it. A value is minus 6 comma 5. B is k comma 4. So it will be 60 comma 4. So now AB, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. AB distance. Distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, under root 60 minus, and again if you'll see x1, x2 is 60 minus x1, but x1 is again here, it is minus, so minus of minus plus 6 whole square, 4, y2 is 4 minus 5 whole square. Now here 60 plus 6 is 66 square minus 1 square. 66 square, you will get like 66 times 66, 4356, 4 plus 4356 plus minus 1 whole square is 1. So 4356 plus 1 will be like 4357. So the distance is 4357 and the value of k is 60.